Have you ever thrown your sweaty gym clothes straight into the wash after a workout? Or maybe you've left them on a chair planning to wear them again tomorrow? Well, you're not alone in this dilemma. A recent study has shed some light on how often we should really be washing our exercise gear, and the results might surprise you. Let's dive into the findings from a study published in Science Alert on March 23rd, 2025. The research explores the balance between environmental concerns and hygiene when it comes to washing our workout clothes. Now you might be thinking, wait, shouldn't I wash my gym clothes after every use? Well, not necessarily. The French government recently stirred up some controversy by suggesting that sports clothes could be worn up to 3 times before washing. Why? It turns out each laundry cycle uses a significant amount of water and energy. Plus, frequent washing can actually degrade fabrics faster, contributing to textile waste. But what about the ick factor? Here's where it gets interesting. The type of fabric you're wearing makes a big difference. Natural fibers like cotton tend to harbor less bacteria than synthetics. So if you're wearing a cotton t-shirt for a light workout, like a morning walk, you might be able to wear it again once or twice. However, when it comes to synthetic performance wear or clothes worn for moderate to intense workouts, it's best to wash them after each use. This is especially important for items that come into contact with high bacteria areas like underarms, groin, or feet. So, what can you do to extend the life of your workout clothes between washes? Here are some quick tips. Turn your clothes inside out and hang them up immediately after exercise. Make sure they're completely dry before storing them. Keep them in well-ventilated areas. If possible, hang them in the sun for a natural antimicrobial boost. Remember, some items should always be washed after each use. Sports bras, underwear, socks, anything visibly soiled or smelly, and clothes worn during high-intensity workouts or in hot weather. Now, I want you to think about your own workout routine. How often do you currently wash your exercise clothes? Are there any changes you might make based on what we've learned today? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's start a conversation about sustainable workout habits. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more science-backed lifestyle tips. Until next time, stay fresh and keep moving.